For this video, we're going to have a tutorial all about Stan Store and how you can sell digital products and also how you can set up your store. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the official website, which is at Stan.store. And once you are in here, if you don't have an account yet, click onto the sign up button situated on the upper right corner of your screen. And if you do already have an account, click onto the login button and sign in with your credentials. So after that, you'll be able to see the dashboard here in Stan Store or after logging in, and you need to set up your account first or set up your store. So you need to go to the My Store section, and then in here, if you want to edit your profile, just click this pencil icon right here, and then this is where you can type in all of your informations or all of your details. So you have your display name and a bio, which is a short description of yourself. And for this section, you can add your social links. So for mine, I have added my TikTok and my Instagram account. But if you want to add more, click on the More Socials button, and this options will appear. So then you can link your YouTube, your email, and up to your Etsy account if you want to do that. So after adding all of your information, just hit the save button. And if you wanted to edit the interface of your store, you need to go to the edit design. And here you can use different templates available for you. But for mine, I'm just going to go with a classic one, which is this template right here. And once you have selected your template, you can also change the colors by going to the color section, and you can select from the options right here. And you can utilize this slider if you want to add more colors or to use more colors or different colors for your store. And you can also add the fonts if you want to do that. Just make sure that the fonts and the colors that you are going to use for your store will properly represent what your store is all about, and hit the save button. So then once you are in here, what you need to do next is to add your freebie. So you can click add product and select collect email/applications. This feature will allow you to generate leads for your product of it. Once you are in here, you can now choose the image for your thumbnail. So I'm just going with this one, and you can upload the image if you want to do that by clicking this upload image right here. But for me, I'm just going to select from the options that I have right here, and you can now add your text. So for example, right here, get my free ebook, and for the subtitle says right here, join my email list and never miss an update from me. So and on the right side part of your screen, you'll be able to see a mock-up of a mobile phone. So it will show you exactly what your freebie will look like once your customers will get your promotion. So once you have done that, and also for the download button, you can edit that on this section, and for the collect info. So for the collect info, normally a name and an email field is more than enough, but if you want to add more, you can do so by clicking this add field button right here, and you can select from the options. So you have text, multiple choice, drop down, and check boxes. So if you are done with this one, you can go to the product section, and this is where you can upload your product. So it can be PDF or ebook or whatever freebie that you're going to provide for your customers and for the options. So if you have set up an email flows, you can do so, or you can add that, you can set that on the section. And for the confirmation email, you can set it up on this section also for the integration. So if you are utilizing different tools or third party apps and website, you can just connect that on this section. And once you are done with all of this, just hit this publish button, and that will be added to your store. So now what we are going to do next is to create a digital product. So remember that you have all of these options right here to sell in your Stan Store. So you have coaching calls, you have e-course, webinar, Stan affiliate link, URL, recurring membership, custom product, and a digital product. So for now, we are going with a digital product. So for the first one, it is basically the same. So you need to create first your thumbnail. Now, for the first element, you need to add your, or you need to pick the style for your thumbnail. So you have button, call out, and a preview. So I prefer call out for mine, but you can choose different for yours. So you can select image that you're going to use for your thumbnail. So I'm going to do the same. And for the next part, just add your title, the subtitle, and the download button for your product. So once you are done with that, hit the next button, or you can save that as draft if you want to. So now for the checkout page, you need to select an image. So I'm just going to do that. Now, for the description of your product, you need to make sure that it is very descriptive and enticing, so then your customers or your future customers will be enticed to buy your product. And for description body, make sure that it highlights the key features and the benefits of your product. So also do the same for the bottom title and the call to action button. So now, once you have done all of, or once you have added all of the description for your product, you can now add, or you can set the price for your product. And if you want to display a discount price for your product, you can do so on this section right here. For example, this one. And then for the collect info, once you scroll down on the mock-up, you'll be able to see the collect info section. So again, you can add name, your email, and add more by clicking this add field button, and you have, well, you'll be able to have more options. So you have text, multiple choice, drop down, and check boxes. So on the last part, you can add your digital product by clicking this upload button right here and select your digital product. So it could be an ebook, a video, or a PDF. So it depends on the digital product you're going to sell here in Stan Store. So after that, you can go to the options section. So you can add reviews if you want to do that. And then you'll be able to see what that will look like on the mockup again. And on the email workflows, you can do the same. If you have set up an email workflow, you can add that on this section, and order bump, an affiliate share promo video. If you have a promotional video or a thank you video for your customers, you can add that on this section. And also for the confirmation email, you need to make sure if you're going to use or utilize this one, you need to make sure that it is very enticing also, and very accommodating. So for the email integrations, and add that on this section. And if you're using third-party apps or websites for your promotions, so you can add that on this section. Now, once you are happy with what you have, just need to hit this publish button situated on the bottom right part of your screen. Hit publish, and after setting up your store and you have started making orders, or you have started making sales, you can manage your orders from the income tab. And here you can see your order details, track payments, and manage customer inquiries. So if you wanted to set up your bank account, you can go to your settings and go to the payment section and just connect your bank. So you can enable also the terms and conditions, and it says right here, when enabled, customers are required to agree to the terms and conditions before the sale can be completed, and the agreement checkbox will appear on the checkout page. And once you go to the analytics section, this is where you can see visual representations of the activity of your store. So you have the store visits, total revenue, and also the leads. And you can set up customers right here. So on the customer section, you can add the name, email, the purchases, and so on. So that's basically it. That is how you can set up your store in Stan Store and add digital product to your store. So that's it for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.